This is the Phases tab. The phases of your construction you see here were imported from our estimate data when we imported our EP file. It is possible to enter phases manually if you want to set your project up manually, or just add phases. To do that, click on the Add New Phase button. To create a new phase of construction, just give your phase a name and click Add Phase. Click Close to view your new phase in the phase list. The new phase is right here. Depending on how your estimate is organized, or if you add phases after you import your estimate, you may need to reorganize your phase list to fit your work breakdown structure. To do that, click on Order Phases. There are two ways to rebuild your work breakdown structure. The first is to move the phases across to the desired order one at a time. The other is to move all phases across at one time and then select phases and move them to the preferred order. Once you're satisfied with your work breakdown structure, click Save Sort Order. To lock the phases in this order, click Lock Phases. The only way the phases can be unlocked is by the user login that locked them. To add tasks to a phase of construction, click the Edit button for the phase you want to add tasks to. Start by adding the number of rows you need. Click the Task drop-down list to select your task. Add your task hours and select Update. Click Close to get back to the phase list.